Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of implementing an energy management program. This part of the program is where we're actually going to talk about having to spend some money. The first 2 aspects, of course, creating a database to monitor your utility usage and getting others in your organization involved, those were mainly just a time-consuming effort. They are things that will give you payback. The data is going to give you a baseline for the improvements that you do make. Getting other people involved is going to help people understand what you are doing. Helping them to understand why you're doing it is a key component in you getting them involved. You need to make them understand why you're doing this. And now we're at the point where we need to start looking at our equipment. We need to look to see if our air handlers are working efficiently, if there are problems with them, if there are mechanical problems such as worn belts, if there are dampers that are not functioning as they should. If you have an air handler that is failing to supply an area with an adequate amount of air, it could be something as simple as an actuator somewhere that has failed, a set of dampers that has not opened up fully. There could be other things on it, slipping belts, that sort of thing. Get your commissioning reports out from the building if that's something that you still have available. Look at those reports, see how that equipment was originally designed to run, and try to put that equipment back into the condition as close as possible as you can. If the equipment is unrepairable, if it is something that's just completely wore out, that's when you're going to need to look into replacement, and then you're going to want to look to the most efficient equipment as you can. Once again, this is where we're going to have to start spending some money. Get a good maintenance program going. If you do not currently have an effective preventive maintenance program going in your facility, you need to start one. You need to get some people in there that are willing to put forth the effort to make sure that that equipment is running in top-notch shape. Go through that equipment regularly, checking the belts, the bearings, anything that can wear, any kind of components that can wear need to be checked regularly. And that is going to be a key cost saver. For example, if your guys, while they're going through doing prevent on a machine, if they find a bearing that is making some loud noises, it's better and cheaper in most cases to replace a bearing than it is to have to replace an entire shaft and a bearing. If you let that bearing go for too long, it could destroy that shaft. So that is another key aspect of implementing an energy management program, getting your equipment up to where it needs to be. Anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. Drop me any comments down below. I would appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more. I really appreciate it, and thanks for watching.